Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Vidya Patil, working as Assistant Professor of English at Government First Grade Women's College, Bidar. Today's video is about a very important and essential subject which we all need to know and study. It is environmental science. Students, environmental science is a compulsory subject for the students of all the courses in almost every university. The reason why this subject has been made a compulsory subject, I think, is very obvious to all of you. I'm sure all of you know that what are the problems which we are facing because of the changes which are taking place in the environment around us. So it is very necessary that we understand these changes and take the necessary steps so that we can preserve our environment. So let us now first try to understand the main objective of this course. Environmental science is a subject not just to give us certain information or certain facts about the environment, but also to teach us about the way we need to live in the environment along with the different aspects of the environment in a compatible manner. It is believed that by studying environmental science, it will create concern among the students for the environment. And I'm sure this concern which has been aroused in you will make you act at your own level to protect the environment and make this world a much better place for all of us to live in. Today we will be discussing with the first unit, which is the introduction. In this unit, we will be talking about the definition of environmental studies, the nature of environmental studies, the scope of environmental studies, and the importance and need for studying environmental science. Environment literally means the surroundings in which we live. It includes all the things which we are directly or indirectly dependent on for our surviving. Whether it is the living components such as the plants and animals or the non-living components such as the soil, air and water. The word environment is derived from the French word environ, which means surrounding or enveloping. According to the Environmental Protection Act of 1986, environment is defined as the sum total of water, air and land and their interrelationship among themselves and with human beings, other living beings and property. Environmental science thus means that it is the study of air, water and land which is surrounding the organisms and which ranges from a small area to the entire biosphere of the Earth's surface. It not only includes the study of our surroundings but also the impact of human beings or man on the environment. It is a scientific study of the environment. So environmental science is nothing but a systematic and scientific study. It includes not only the study of the physical and the biological characters of the environment, but also the social and the cultural factors and the impact of man on environment. Environmental studies deals with every issue that affects an organism. So this shows us that the scope of the study or the environmental science is huge and vast. It adopts a multidisciplinary approach while studying different aspects of the environment. That means that various other sciences are also included when we are trying to understand the different concepts of environment. It is an applied science which helps us to find practical solutions so that human civilization or human beings can live in a sustainable manner on the earth with the limited resources which are available to us. So basically, when we are studying environmental science, we are actually studying the different aspects of the environment and also the various impacts which take place on the environment. Here we can see so many other sciences which are all applied in environmental science. Now, lastly, let us try to understand the need and importance of studying environmental science. Studying environmental science helps or clarifies various concepts to us and tells us how we can conserve our biodiversity. It also shows us a sustainable way of living in the environment. Environmental science helps us to use our natural resources in a more efficient manner. It points out the various interrelationships between the organisms and the surroundings and organisms and other organisms in the environment. Most importantly, it helps us to be aware and to educate others regarding the different concepts of the environment and to try and understand the problems at the local, national, and international level. So, students, I'm sure you have understood now that why studying environmental science is so important for all of us. It is very necessary for all of you to realize that we need to study this subject and understand the various concepts, and then after understanding these concepts, it will be very useful for our country and our society if each one of you can take steps at your own level to conserve the environment and to find better ways to live in this environment in a sustainable manner. So students, if you have liked this video, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel.